Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Happy New Year, by the way. Thank you for visiting me to watch my first video of 2022. In this video, I'm going to be practicing again the Sheleeart Bloom Technique. So what I'm doing here is putting my paint down. It's called a pillow paint. The pillow paint allows the colors to flow over it, similar to what you would have in a Dutch pour, except a lot thicker. Laying my first color down in the center, and my first color down is Phthalo blue. My second color is Quinacridone crimson. My third color is Cerulean deep blue. A gold, iridescent, so it's an iridescent gold. And the last color that I'm going to lay down is iridescent pearl. So once you have all your colors stacked, in this case I went ahead and blew out the bubbles by torching it. Then you put your cell activator in the center, and you can make any color your cell activator. Mine is an Amsterdam black. I blow that black over the colors and create cells. Once I blow that cell activator out and kind of get the design I'm looking for, I will either spin it several times to hopefully help those cells grow and stretch the paint, or I will stretch the paint or tilt the paint. Either or will work, and in this case I think I do both. So by no means am I an expert in the bloom technique, which is why I am practicing. I really want to get better at it and understand the paint and how they move. So I'll be practicing that a little bit more often. So as you see, I had some white space, so I thought I would drag the black over, basically creating a swipe to see what will happen, since I'm pretty much inexperienced with this technique. And it did create additional cells. And I'll just let you watch the rest of the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.